In this video tutorial, I'm going to be doing a review on the Burger King bacon cheeseburger off their value meal. I think I paid $4.29 for this little shit puck. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like, and more important, what it tastes like. Well, here you get a good look at, like I say, this little shit puck. It's got two little strips of bacon on there. And in size comparison, it's pretty fucking small. It's the best I can do for you. Okay, size does matter. So here's a little comparison. That's a nickel. That's about what this should cost, this burger, because it's not much bigger than a nickel. A nickel with a couple of pickles. Let's go ahead and see what it tastes like, though. Well, it is Burger King, so it's charbroiled. It's got a better flavor than, say, McDonald's or, I don't know, Jack in the Box. But other than that, it tastes like a shit puck with some bacon on it. That's going to do it for this review. Check with me next week, Scotty's food review, and we'll go to some other fast food joint and see what they got to offer at what price. Now, just a little disclaimer, remember, I'm on Maui, the island of Maui, so everything is triple price compared to the mainland. And with that being said, good on you, mates. Aloha, and that means goodbye.